Good morning, children. Today we will learn about the London Basin of Europe. So, this London Basin is located on the Thames River of England. And as you all know that London is the capital of United Kingdom. The Thames Valley of this part is actually named after this famous city called London. And the basin is triangular in shape, covering an area of about 7,750 square kilometer. Landforms. So this basin is a plain or level plain, and some undulations are present with a gentle slope in the southeastern side. The land rises from the sea level in the east to 150 meters in the west. It has a shallow trough that has been formed by the downfolding of the landforms and creates a shallow basin which is filled up with the deposition of sand and silt that has been brought by the rivers. Now the main hills of this region are the North Down Hills, which lies in the southern side. Chiltern and the East Anglian Highlands rises up in the northeastern part, and these highlands are made up of chalk and limestone. It is the characteristics of these highlands present in this London Basin. Rivers. Now this London Basin is drained by Thames River, and this river flows through a gap between Whitehorse Hills and Chilterns. It receives the Kennet River and then it joins the North Sea. Other tributaries of this river are Lee, Roding, Darset, Wee and Mole. Economic environment. Thames River plays an important role for the economic development of this London Basin. It is the main river of this basin, and London is the greatest city of the United Kingdom, and also Thames River provides good trade and commerce. London is also the largest port of Britain, and it handles 40% of British trade from here. The port of London is also navigable throughout the year because it is a perennial river. That means the Thames is a perennial river. All these factors plays a vital role for the economic development of this region, that is the London Basin. Now, climate. So this region particularly enjoys the West European coast type climate, where cyclonic rain occurs during the winter season, and in summer season rainfall occurs, but that is due to the convectional current. It has a rainfall that is ranging between 65 centimeter and 80 centimeter. July is recorded as the highest temperature month of 17 degrees centigrade, and in January the temperature drops or falls down to 4 degrees centigrade. Snowfall happens here occasionally. Thank you, children. Natural vegetation of the London Basin. It has a very small forest cover. Oak, birch, beech and pine trees are found on the highland areas of Chilterns, North Downs and East Anglian Highlands. Agriculture of this London Basin. Here, mainly the agriculture is done to meet up or to fulfill the local needs of the people. Wheat, barley, potato and vegetables are grown here. Essex is noted for the wheat cultivation. Sheep and cattle are reared for milk and meat that are found on the alpine meadows of North Downs and Chilterns region. Industry. Large number of industries are found here. Basically, those are traditional industries. Important industries are paper industry, engineering industry, automobile industry, and printing industry, which are found in Walford, Northfleet, St Albans, Chelmsford, Guildford, Colchester, Luton, Oxford, Watchford, etc. Other important industries are ship repairing, aircraft machineries, chemical, electrical and agricultural machineries, dairy and flour, information technology and textiles. Other than this, a lot of industries are there engaged for making of matches, glass, furniture, soap, garments, chemicals, electronics, etc. Towns, ports, cities and trade centers. At first, London. It is the main nerve center of Great Britain and also the Western Europe. It is actually the lifeline of the London Basin, which is located on the Thames River, and it is also the capital of the United Kingdom. It is the largest city and also the principal port of this country. It is a center of transport and communication, excellent network of metro railway system. Heathrow is a major airport present here. Another important airport is Croydon, which is located in the southern side of London. The City of London has a variety of places such as Parliament House, Buckingham Palace, Trafalgar Square, Piccadilly, Hyde Park, British Museum, London University and the town of London. Now, Greenwich. It is a small town located in the vicinity or within London, and it is noted for its observatory because the prime meridian runs through it. The Greenwich Mean Time is measured from this longitude, and it is used as a standard time for reference all over the world. Other important towns of this basin are Rochester, Reading, Chelmsford, Harlow and Luton. Take care and thank you, children.